Hi everyone and welcome to a brand new video on my channel. Today we'll be talking about The Only Light Left Burning by American author Eric J. Brown. It's a sequel to All That's Left in the World, which we have already talked about before on the channel. Make sure to check that review out and read the first book before, because there might be spoilers about the first book. In case you don't know, I really loved the first book, like love in capital letters, and I was afraid it wasn't gonna live up to my expectations because the first book set the bar really high. But I have to say, I love this second part as much as the first one. So let's take it out where the first book left it. After going through a lot and saving each other, Andrew, Jamie and their new friend Kara finally get to the keys and find Henry's daughter Amy. It's been some months since they got there. They have settled down and it seems like they have finally found a community where they feel safe and they can build a new life. After a silly argument, they stop talking and kind of start drifting apart. But there's something bigger than that argument that's making them feel that way. Andrew and Jamie want different things. Andrew has grown fond of the people in the Keys and seeks stability, a place where they don't have to run away anymore. On the other hand, Jamie has become more and more distrusting and wants to turn away from the town and take to the road with Jamie, only the two of them like it used to be. But then a terrible storm hits the Keys, killing hundreds of people and ravaging the town. Desperate, the town committee turns to one of Andrew's and Jamie's old enemies for help. They now know that they are not safe there anymore and decide to flee with some friends that they can really trust. Back on the road, they cannot trust anyone anymore, especially because they have the Keys and their old foes trying to find them. What can I say? It's simply a gripping and action-packed book. It has heart-wrenching as well as heartwarming scenes and many wholesome characters. Moreover, it has the same sardonic, dark humor as the first book. Andrew and Jamie are a bit more mature now, and their relationship evolves with that, even though they still have to overcome some obstacles and they really need to have a heart-to-heart talk. What I like the most is that this time they bring their friends along, which makes things a bit more interesting and gives us a wider perspective of what's going on. We see how they support each other and how they all slowly open up to each other and become one big family. Children, teenagers and adults helping each other and caring for each other. Once again, there's a sharp contrast between this picture of kindness and the brutal violence and the blatant discrimination of some communities and people. The book touches on the same topics as the first one: trust and how to regain it, hopelessness and what it can make us do, principles and their value in a world where society has fallen. But the author knows how to keep it exciting and thought-provoking. There's also a bit more queer representation in this second book, which I'm all for. What I don't like that much about this book is that some characters make some hasty decisions that may be understandable but would seem completely crazy under other circumstances. I think I've said everything there was to say. Oh yeah, I forgot. This sequel is also probably the last book in this series, or at least that's what it looks like, given how the book ends on a happy note. So you know what you have to do. If you haven't read the book, I totally recommend it. You can check out the first one if you haven't read that either, and if you have either read the first one or the second one, you can write a comment and share your thoughts. That's all for now. I hope you liked the video and see you again very soon.